Hello guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This morning, we will discuss about the wiring diagram of buzzer circuit. This is the safety switch. This is line 1. This is line 2 or ground or neutral. This is line side, line 1. Line side, patungo sa switch. Then, ang other terminal sa switch patungo sa buzzer terminal. Ang other terminal sa buzzer patungo sa line 2. Line 2 sa ating circuit safety switch. Pag i-on siya, on. Then, na-supply na, i-on ang switch. Tumunog yung buzzer. Then, patayin, off, matay yung buzzer. Another circuit diagram of Bell circuit. This is the safety switch. This is line 1, line 2, ground or neutral. This is line side. This is load side. This is line 1. Patungo sa switch. Then, ang other terminal sa switch patungo sa terminal sa Bell. Then, ang other terminal sa Bell patungo sa line 2. Safety switch natin. Sa load side. Iyon yung breaker. Then, i-supply na yung line 1 natin. Then, i-on ang switch. Then, gumana yung Bell. Tumunog. Then, patayin natin. Off. Mamamatay yung tunog ng Bell. Bible verse of the day. Romans 10 verse 11. For the scripture saith, whosoever believeth on him shall not be ashamed. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.